Hi, I am Dennis from Inflectra. In this video, I will show how to switch between Dynamics IX companies in Rapise test. Here is Dynamics IX client running. When you manually switch between companies, you click in the right bottom corner on the current company label, select the company you need from the list and click OK, and the system switches to the company that you need. Here is how to record the steps in Rapise. In Rapise, I start recording session, and Rapise displays recording activity dialog. It is now hiding current company label, so I will move this dialog to the left and click on the current company label. You can see that Rapise captures my action. Then I am selecting the company from the list. Rapise captures my action as a click cell in the company column in the table of available companies. The last action is clicking OK button. So here we have three actions that switch to a new company. As you can see, the first action has the object with ID specific to company name. We can fix that and change this object ID to current company. Saving and finishing recording session. Adding steps to RVL. So here is the test that switches to a specific company. Let's quickly look at the current company object in the object tree. So I'm finding it in the object tree, selecting it, and look at its properties. I noticed that in the location property, we have a company name. This is because we are clicking on the current company label. To be able to switch between different companies in the same test, we need to fix that. Our location should not depend on the company name. So to do that, I need to start relearn procedure. I'm clicking relearn here in the pop-up menu and moving this dialog to the left, and I'm starting spy. This is the part of Rapise that enables us to inspect the internal tree of elements within the application we are testing. So I'm start spying by pressing Ctrl-G keyboard shortcut, moving spy to the left as well, and moving mouse over the current company label. Pressing Ctrl-G to stop spying. So here is the current company label that we tracked. So let's go to the parent element. And the parent element is the button. This is the element that we actually need to click. I'm double clicking it and Rapise finishes relearn. If we now go to properties of the current company object in our object tree, here is location. Now it does not have a company specific trailing part. The last thing I need to change for this object is, you probably noticed that even button had a name that is company name specific. So to ignore object name, I am selecting ignore object name property of my object to true. Okay, so now we have current company object that will be found by Rapise under any circumstances. Does not matter between which companies we are switching. So let's test our solution. Let's see what companies we have. So for example, let's switch to VRCI company. So to do that, I go to Rapise. Here is the action that clicking on a cell and it receives a company name. So changing it to the name of the company that we need and executing my test. All right, works. So let's move back to our DAT company. So to do that, I am changing param value to DAT and executing my test. And now we are in DAT company. So, and in RVL, if you want to have your company name in an external spreadsheet, you can parameterize this part and get the value from the spreadsheet and then pass to this specific action. So this is how to switch between companies in Dynamics IX client in a Rapise test. Thanks for watching.